everybody, and welcome to the new stuff video from Puzzle.de, an online shop which I talked about a lot, and where I show you all the new jigsaws that came out in the past month. So let's have a look. We can have a look first. Look at that. So this is all in German, but you can switch it on the UK side, so that will be in English, but I'll translate everything. So that's the spring sale, and we've got the bluebird puzzles here for €4.99 or 5. Yeah, that's not so easy to read, but well, and Graphica, so that's quite nice. Okay, sale, that's here, and we'll go to new stuff in April. Boop. So let's have a look. Oh, it seems like there are a few small jigsaws for kids. I will sort them out because I don't think we have to look at them. So we'll look at the 6,000 pieces. Oh, that's nice. Just have a look at that later. And 5,000. Ah, okay, that's nice as well. I will look at that definitely. So we've got one with 4,000 pieces. Ah, that's Paris. So they are all from Educa. Educa seems to... Oh yeah, everything is Educa. So we've got the 3,000 pieces. That's Colmar in France. And Manhattan, and here we've got Phuket. So that's a quite common jigsaw motif, that one with Phuket. You've got the boats and this rock, I forgot the name. Isn't it the James Bond rock or something? So, and we've got a lakeside here and the Alps here, so those are nice. And this one is from Starland. Summer Memories is the name. So there you can see 3,000 pieces. Starland are €17.95, and Educa is €39.95. So that's a little bit of a difference there. Alright, so those are the new big ones. I think now that we looked at them, let's have a look here. So this one is Sunset in San Marco. I don't think that's easy because it is with 6,000 pieces, and there's a lot of orange and yellowy and, well, okay, I don't think I want to do that. We've got the greatest bookshop in the world. So this one is available, and that's the word I can't say. Available. You can get this one in a few sizes. So you can get it with 1,000 pieces or 1,500 pieces or whatever you want. So that one has got 5,000 pieces. I like the motif, but I'm not sure about making this one with 5,000 pieces. And this one is 4,000 pieces, and that's Old Town of Paris. So we've got, of course, the Eiffel Tower and, well, a little bit of Paris things here. Yeah, that's okay. I wouldn't buy it, to be honest, but it's okay-ish. Okay, so let's just we put them away for a second, and then we can get straight to the 2,000 pieces. So those are a lot. Are there? Let me have a look. Are these all? I thought I might. Oh yes, still new stuff. So we put the 1,500 pieces with these and the 1000 pieces, because those aren't that much. And I will have a look at the 200 piece jigsaws too. Okay, so we've got 319. Okay, let's have a look. So, oh, my wish list. I have to fill my wish list. We have got these umbrellas. I like that. That will go straight on my wish list. But let me have a look. Why is my wish list gone? Ah, there it is. Okay, so I've got a big wish list, as you might imagine. Okay, so the cat with the colors is okay-ish. Okay. Oh, look at the dogs. That's an interesting style. I think I like it. Wish list. We've got the bowls. I like those motifs, like the umbrellas here, or the bowls, or spices or something. Just because you can do them just step by step. So Graphica seems to have a lot of new 500 piece jigsaws. I think I just bought this one. Let me have a look. Just a second. Oh yes, I've got this one, but with 1000 pieces. So that's that. Oh, this one is nice. And I bought this one with 2000 pieces. So Graphica is just, yeah. La Loutre. The jigsaws are so nice, but unfortunately they are on the pricier side. Okay, what else have we got? All these forest creature things. Oh, I always love candy, so I will save this one. So here we've got the wooden jigsaws. So I will just click on this Hermandi Puzzle Kreativ. I don't know the oops, look at that. Oh, it's from the Ukraine. Well, that's interesting. Okay, didn't know that. It's from the Ukraine. That's nice. So it has that 201 piece, and as you can see here, there are a lot of whimsies on this jigsaw. The motif is nice though, and here you can see all the whimsies. So they are thematic. That's like the vacation theme. So let's have a look at another one, because I saw here's like Fuji, the Grand Canyon. Okay, let's have a look at the Grand Canyon. And the whimsies are, well, some of them, oh no, I think they might be the same whimsies, just in a different order. Okay, yeah, but oh, that's the horseshoe, I think. They do look interesting. I will save this one. They are on the pricey side, but if they are from a good brand and they have a good quality, they can be on the pricier side. So you get what you pay for. Okay, Graphica 300 pieces. Oh yeah, and Por and Patrick Guailino. I think I saw some from them last month. And we've got this. Well, I wouldn't want to do it, to be honest. Look at that. It's beautiful. It really is. But I wouldn't want to do it. So this goes back. So we've got Konodori. A lot of art jigsaws, and I think I mentioned it a few times, but I'm not good with paintings. Here we have got seashells and stars, and with 2,000 pieces I think this one would be quite tricky to do, because I don't think you can, well, you can do the starfish, but not the rest as well, so not for me, thank you very much. Here we've got Phuket in Thailand, the big rock in the water again, and New Year's Eve we've got Cologne, and more paintings, Rotterdam. I've been to Rotterdam, well, a lot, but never to Rotterdam in the city, because I always just go to the Europort and then we'll take the ferry to England when we go to England. So here we've got Schimmel and more paintings, and then we've got, oh, let me tell you, this is a typical German word, Deutschland Edition Bundesverwaltungsgericht Leipzig. So that's in Leipzig. Das Bundesverwaltungsgericht. It's like the court of Germany. Okay, here we have a colorful forest. Okay, that's nice. 2,000 pieces. I don't like puzzling trees as well. Excuse me. So, paintings. Here's a Christmas motif, because, well, Christmas is coming eventually. And here we have another Deutschland Edition, so that's Munich. Das Siegestor. Oh, that's nice, colorful. Here's another Schimmel. Oh, look at that owl. Oh, I like the owls. So we will have a look at them in a minute. Here's a tiger that looks difficult. Tell me in the comments, what do you prefer to do? So if you do jigsaws, just tell me, what do you prefer? Do you like paintings, or just landscapes, or comics, cartoons? Let me know. So another Schimmel. Yeah, he and the white tigers. Well, that isn't a tiger, is it? What is it? It's not a tiger, is it? Leopard or something? Well, and okay, we will have a look at that one. Oh, look at all those paintings. And then sometimes they are like Engadis or something, the baby pictures. I feel a bit sorry for the babies. Okay. We have got another Deutschland Edition von Graphica, Hamburger Hafen mit Elbphilharmonie. So that's the opera of, well, not the opera, kind of an opera. And we've got Van Gogh and Eugene Boudin, and I'm pretty sure I pronounce all these people wrong, so I won't try it again, I guess. Louis W. Hine. Okay. They are over 2,000 pieces. That looks quite hard. I mean, look at that. 2,000 pieces. Let's have a look. So, okay, the picture is stunning, but I mean, let there be like 700 black pieces, and the rest is that. So, no, thank you, not for me. Oh yeah, we had this. That's nice. But what are the flowers doing there? So, Gemäldekomposition. 2,000 pieces as well. And here are the olds with 2,000 pieces. I don't like doing 2,000 piece jigsaws when they are in this format, because they don't fit on my table as nicely. Oh, Yosemite National Park. Yeah. Never been there, always wanted to go. But then I'm stuck in the city because I think, oh, San Francisco or something. Okay, more paintings, more paintings, more paintings, more paintings. Okay, okay. So, I won't lie to you. I have to go to work in 15 minutes. I don't think I'll... Oh, we'll see. So that's Croatia. National Park Plitvicer Seen. Croatia. So, oh, look at that. It's beautiful. Oh. Oh, I don't like something underwater. Do you see it? What is it called? Tassolophobia or something? I mean, it is beautiful, but there's something under the water and it looks like it would grab me and just put me in danger. Another baby. But that's not Engaddi's, it's Conrad Buck, so I didn't know there was another one who makes baby pictures. Oh. Oh, is that Rue des Moulins? That might be something from the Moulin Rouge or something. Well, the ladies are not that clothed, dressed up, dressed on. Well, Death Valley, yes, nice. And painting, painting, painting. Look at that. I just hurry a little bit, okay? So those are all the paintings. This one I want to have a look at. And I like, oh, this is only 300 pieces. Yeah, I like this. We'll have a look at it anyway. I'm really... Okay, more paintings, more paintings. Then we've got two more Deutschland editions. It's the skyline of Berlin and the Alexanderplatz in Berlin with the red. Forgot the word. Paintings, paintings, paintings. Paintings, paintings. I skipped the paintings. And we've got the waterfall in the Japanese garden in Bonn. That's another Deutschland edition. And we've got so much Schimmel here. So his style is... Oh, look. That's a tiger. And that's a... it looks like a tiger, but it's got a... His fur isn't tigerish. It's not stripy. Look at that. Oh, there's Schimmel. Oh, more Deutschland edition. So, well, that's the St. Paulus Dome in Münster. I've been there, I think. Skyline Leipzig. Nürnberg. Yeah, Deutschland. Germany is a beautiful country. So we've got Dresden, the skyline, and here we've got Hamburg. Oh, neues Rathaus von Hannover. I will show you something. That's the Berliner Dom. Oh, Kuchen. Look at that. It's cake. I love cake. That's something in Dresden. A few animals. So this one, the School of Athens. Everybody knows that one. Look, here's a double pack. I wouldn't do it because it's a painting. And you've got the word pain in painting. This one, I think I did that, but not from Educa, from Bluebird, I guess. Okay, this is a neon puzzle, so Brooklyn Bridge, it would glow in the dark, and I really hate them because when you feel them, they have a really rough surface, and I don't like it. Jeanne d'Arc, nice. Schloss Neuschwanstein, okay, that's our... We've got so many nice castles, but everybody talks just about Neuschwanstein. Patagonien, Shanghai, we've got... Oh, that's nice. Oh, dinosaurs. Always like dinosaurs. That's Prague. And coffee time, so I do not drink coffee. But I will look at this one. Oh, Dungeons and Dragons, hell yeah! Oh, now we're getting somewhere here. Oh, look at that! Dungeons and Dragons Jigsaws with the old bear! Yes, I will get them. I will get them. They can go right on my wish list. When I show them to my husband, he will say, oh my gosh, we should get them. And then I can say, yes, we should. So that was everything from Treffel. Okay, just 2 Dungeons and Dragons, but okay. Here we've got a little bit of pieces and peace. So I really like the jigsaws, but they are on the pricier side. So I'll wait till there might be an offer someday. Oh, look at them. They are nice. They are nice. Nice. So here we've got a little Graphica selection with 300 pieces. Starland. We've got the Unicorn Garden. And this is Autumn Feeling. Panda Brunch. Okay. Okay, so London, and that's it. So next time maybe I can, I don't know. Okay, that's it. I don't think we have to look at the smaller ones, but, well, let me have a look. What have we got here? Okay, that's a kitty jigsaw. Oh, I like those. They are colorful, but I wish they had a few more pieces because my kids are too big for them as well. Ah, look, those Hermione puzzles. You can get them a little bit smaller, like this one. But I think I'll get the one with 200 pieces, because those are 100 pieces and the ones with 200 pieces just got like €10 more. So, okay, let's have a look at the last jigsaws here. We've got this kitchen. Oh, I like it. Oh, that's fun for me. That's just fun. You can do one segment after another. It is out of stock, but I don't care. I will put it on my, well, where's my, where can I do it on my, oh, there it is, auf dem Merkzettel, so that's on my wish list. Oh yeah, that's cute. I really like it, but unfortunately 300 pieces, it's not enough for me. So, this one is in Hanover, and do you see, oh, let me think, no, it's on this side. So if you walk like here, I guess somewhere here would be a path and you can walk there. And here is a big street, big traffic thing. And on the side there is a all-you-can-eat sushi, and I love that there. So and I would eat sushi there every time I can. So yeah, and that's like the Statue of Liberty, I guess. This blue turquoise whatever color used to be copper or something. So yes, that's Hanover. Next, collage. Oh, Kuchen. Oh, look at all those cakes. Kuchen, waffles. That will go on my wish list as well. And I think the price is totally reasonable, because it has got 2,000 pieces. And for 16 euro, so let's say 17 euro, so, and that includes tax. I know in America, this is not always the case, but that includes tax. Look at that, includes MWST is our tax. That's a good price because you pay like 17 or 18 euro for a new 1000 piece Ravensburger jigsaw here sometimes, so that's cool. Okay, what's that? It's Smiley Gallery. Oh, I really don't like it. No. I mean, I'm not a fan of paintings, but I'm not a fan of ruining paintings too. So no, thank you. But this is so awesome. That looks like the old Dungeons and Dragons. Wishlist. Oh, and here you've got the old bear. Oh yeah, wish list. I think I already put it on the wish list. And here we've got the red panda from the Ukrainian. I mean, I like they come in those little boxes, so that's nice. But okay, I will see when I'm ready to order the next time. If I would order every item that's available at the moment. So those would be 119 jigsaws, and it would cost me 1,842 euro and 2 cents plus other shelves I would have to buy. But those are all the jigsaws I want. But not everything is in stock at the moment, so some of them are just not in stock, like this one. Unfortunately. And this one, so don't know if they will come back or not. Someday I have to tidy up here a little bit, but not today. No, I will say goodbye to you by now. And yes, I'll link you the shop link in the description. I would really appreciate if you have a look. And yeah, check that out. Look at all these nice sails. I mean, Bluebird is a very good quality, and for 5 euros you can't do anything wrong. And those are a lot of nice jigsaws. So just click the link, just browse a little bit, and maybe you'll find something. And when you do, that's great. And if not, that's okay too. Okay. Oh, I have to go to work. So thank you very much for watching, and we'll see us on the next one. Thank you. Bye bye.